Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. Ooh. You feel better?
Be kicking it up. You want to sit in your bumbo? You want to sit in bumbo? Eating your bumbo.
Hi, Elizabeth.
Here's Sophie.
What's that, Elizabeth? What is that? Can you get it?
Use your hand to get it.
Can you get it?
Grab it. Can you get it? It's the crazy wood thing. Can we give you a hand? No pun intended. Try that. There you go. Don't poke yourself in the face.
You got it.
You got it, kiddo.
You got it.
You tired of playing? Tired of
You
playing?
want to just sit around now?
See how much I can overstimulate you?